Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fish dewal, step by step. First, select a firm fish and cut it into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1-inch cubes. Next, marinate these pieces with a blend of ginger and garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric, salt, pepper, and a splash of vinegar. Let this mixture sit for about 15 to 30 minutes to infuse the flavors. Finally, lightly coat each piece with flour before frying. Now, let's move on to frying the fish. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Carefully place the flour-coated fish pieces into the hot oil. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are thoroughly cooked, ensuring they are firm but still flaky. Once done, remove the fish from the pan and set them aside on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. The heart of fish dewal is its flavorful sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar to create a balanced sweet and sour base. In a separate pan, stir-fry 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste until fragrant. Next, incorporate 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. To finish, add your chopped bell peppers and half of a large onion to the pan with the spices, stir-frying them for a short time. Now, gently fold in the fried fish pieces, along with your fresh tomatoes and the rest of the onion. Create a small space in the center of the pan, pour in your delicious sauce, and let it cook for about 1 minute. Finally, stir everything together until the fish is perfectly coated. Serve your hot fish dewal with rice and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.